2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory takes everything riders love about the standard Tuono 660 and pushes it to the next level. Designed for those who demand sharper handling, premium suspension, and race-inspired technology, the factory version delivers superbike performance in a lightweight, street-friendly package. With its aggressive Italian styling and advanced electronics, it's built to dominate both twisty mountain roads and weekend track days. Power comes from Aprilia's 659 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, producing approximately 105 horsepower and 70 newton meters of torque. Paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox, an up-and-down quickshifter, and a slipper clutch, the Tuono 660 factory delivers instant throttle response, strong mid-range acceleration, and an exciting top-end rush. The lightweight aluminum frame further enhances its agility, making every corner feel precise and confidence-inspiring. The biggest highlight is the factory package. Aprilia equips the motorcycle with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, lightweight wheels, premium Brembo braking components, and exclusive factory graphics. Combined with aerodynamic bodywork, a compact LED headlight, and a sporty riding position, the Tuono 660 factory offers the perfect balance between everyday comfort and track-ready performance. Technology is where Aprilia truly shines. Riders benefit from a 5-inch full-color TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, engine brake adjustment, cornering ABS, cruise control, launch control, and smartphone connectivity. These advanced electronic systems work together to deliver outstanding performance while maintaining confidence and safety in every riding condition. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory is expected to start at approximately $12,500 to $13,500, depending on the market and available options. With its premium Öhlins suspension, powerful twin-cylinder engine, cutting-edge electronics, and unmistakable Italian design, the Tuono 660 factory remains one of the most exciting and best-equipped middleweight naked motorcycles available today. If you're looking for a bike that feels equally at home on the street and the racetrack, the 2026 Tuono 660 factory deserves a place at the top of your list.